It's a start. Got a leash?
Sit.
Sit! Sit!
Sit. Come in.
Play with a hard mat?
Clear offering is this. Hey, Max. These stops. You like the smell of that Mexican cooking, huh?
You like some home cooking? Smells nice, doesn't it? I wouldn't get too close. This is close enough for now.
Okay.
Yo, Justin, that's Cutter's Doom!
What's Cutter's Doom?
Hey, Ken. Yeah. We should do another camera.
Who'd you bring with you?
Besides Max, it's just Carmen and Chewy.
Carmen and Chewy. That's good thinking. Okay. We gotta get to the highway.
Tyler's right behind me. He's coming up fast.
And action.
Hey, good to see you. Soft lips.
And that's it. Are you good on that? Okay, let's shoot it, guys.
Raise the boom, 4 is the left choir, 5 is the right choir.
Ma'am, sir, sorry we're so late. A little tussle with Max here. I trained your son and his dog at Maitland. They sent Max back for an eval and figured since we were so close.
Thank you. I'm sure Kyle would have wanted him here.
Good. Easy. Go, Mark. Stay. Sit. Good. Stay. Foot. Stay. Lie down. Lie down. Head down. Stay. Good. Good boy. Sit. Here. Sit. Sit. Stay. Foot. Stay. Good job. All right. So, good boy. So now we'll open the other side.
Roll it.
11 echo. Take 4.
Carlos, stay. Good. Stay. Leave it. Good. Stay.
And back row.
Back row. Stay. Carlos.
And action.
Easy. Put your feet up. Put your feet up. All right, get down. Lie down. Lie down. Put your head down. Put it down. Jagger, hey, pick it up. Pick it up. Here. And pick it up. Pick it up. Pull it.
Get him to stop.
Out!
And take him over to Justin. Excuse me, son. Who might you be?
This is Justin, Kyle's brother.
I guess Max already figured that out. You want to help us get him back to the van? Might go a lot easier if you did.
Go on, son.
Cut.